Slump is where most people quit, but not you. Because today I'm gonna show you 20 authentic ways to get out of a slump. Now you would ask, Vaikri, what do you mean by authentic? Authentic means none of these are derived from ChatGPT. All of them come from my experience of living this life for 19 years. Now let's go and let's get you out of this slump. The first way is dance. If someone comes and tells me, exercise, I'm gonna be like, hey, you go exercise. I do not want to exercise. I just want to rot in my bed. But that's why I said dance. Because when you're alone and no one's watching, all you do is sing, dance, cry, act like you just won an Oscar. So go out and dance. Dance is such a fun way to just get yourself going, play on your favorite music, and just move your body. The second way is to take a break from social media. When I say all those opinions of other people are affecting your life, they are. Trust me, they are. You do not need to doom scroll on your screen and look at other people's life and just highlight of their lives. No one is coming out on social media and telling what they are going through actually. So when you are in the worst days of your life, you do not need to see someone's highlight just to compare yourself with them. That does not sit right. So just keep your phone down for a minute. No one's getting hurt. Fourth, change your environment. Get up. Change those bed sheets, change those pillow covers, maybe even change your curtains. Go out, print some cute posters and stick it on the wall. I promise it's gonna make you feel instantly so good. Fifth, early sunlight. Not only you need that vitamin D, but you also need to trigger your happy hormones. Did you know that when you get exposed to the sunlight, your brain produces serotonin, which is also called as happy hormone? You not only feel happy, but you feel so energized, so excited, and almost like a new person. Sixth, drink your damn water. It not only gives you a good skin, but also it boosts your energy, regulates your focus, and it helps in heart and kidney health. And trust me, you do not want to die this pretty and this young. So just go and drink your water. Seventh, go try something new. Go to that badminton class you always wanted to take. Go to that dance class you have been dreaming about. Or maybe just go out and do something you're utterly scared of. It will not only give you more confidence, but it will also give you this new hope that you can do anything. This is my personal favorite. 8. Have a good laugh. Yes, you can go on YouTube, type in the funniest video to ever exist, watch it, and have the laugh of your lifetime. It's so good. It feels so good after you're done watching that video. 9th, listen to fun and happy music. Music that makes you smile, the music that gives you hope, and music that makes you love this life a bit more. Go and listen to that music. So my pro tip for this is that go create a playlist just for the times you feel you're in a bad mood, and it helps every single time. 10th, get enough sleep. I don't even think I need to talk more on this. Just sleep. Period. Okay, a little break. Say hi to Dimpy. Aw, he's so cute. 11th, talk with someone. Personally, I feel so much better when I just call my friends and I give them a good long rant. And chances are, what you're going through right now, someone has already gone through it. So they can help you so much better than you can ever yourself. So just go call them and just tell them everything you're feeling right now. 12th, go take a nature walk or even color walk these days. I think it's such a good way to stay in the present moment, forgetting all your worries and all your problems and everything that is bothering you right now. 13th, journaling. Vomiting out everything that is on your mind and in your heart is such a good way to get out of a slump. First, no one is going to go through it. Second, you do not have to bother anyone. Third, it's gonna stay with you ever. And fourth, if you ever go through this thing again, you can always refer back to your journal and see what you did so you can get out of the slump again. 14th, change your digital space. I think this is so underrated, but similar to changing your physical environment, changing your digital environment is also so important. Changing your phone wallpaper or even your laptop wallpaper is gonna help you so much in improving your mood and just boosting your energy overall. You're gonna feel like a new person altogether. 15th, make yourself a hot beverage. Go drink something warm, maybe your favorite coffee, hot chocolate, or even some warm milk. It's gonna help you feel so calm. 16th, lie on the floor and breathe for a minute. Just do it. No questions asked. 17th, get a paper and scribble on it. Yes, you heard it right. Wait, I'm gonna show you something. So this is my journal from 2023 and just look how I have scribbled on it. Just like, see, it helps a lot. I cannot believe we are down to our last 3. 18th, go watch some YouTube vlogs. They help me so much. They make me seen. They make me believe that I'm not alone and there are so many successful people out there who go through the same thing. So just go on YouTube and watch some vlogs and instantly you will feel so much better. 19th, revisit your last win. Look at yourself and look at the moment and just think that how proud you should be of yourself, because that thing seems so impossible in the moment. But right now, you have it. You achieved it. And it can be anything. It can be, I didn't want to go to the gym, but I did go to the gym. And I'm proud of myself for it. So I'm happy that I'm me. 20! I cannot believe this is the last way. But here it goes. Can you guys guess what it is? It's okay. I'll tell you. Hug your soft toy. Just hug it. It is the best feeling in the world. You don't know how relaxed and happy I am when I just do this. Like, try and tell me that this is not the most relaxing thing ever. And if you do not own a soft toy, just hug yourself. It's so much easier and it's just so rewarding. I really hope this video helped you get out of your slump, and let me know which way you are taking home with you today and how did it help you get out of your slump. Let me know in the comments, and please like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! And thank you so much for motivating me to put videos like this every single week. Bye! I forgot to say I love you.